Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to save a full Instagram story to your iPhone. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to an iPhone, an Instagram account. So we can now go all the way to the iPhone itself. Go to Instagram, click on Instagram, make sure you're signed into the account, go to your profile, and then go to IG stories. If you haven't posted a story, go to the previous tutorials to see how that's done, and then come back to this tutorial, click on IG story, and now we have one to post it to the account. Go to more, save. We can either save photo or the save story. This creates a video. The story has been saved. Now we swipe down, go back to your iPhone homepage, go to photos, camera roll, video, edit, and we can see the full length video that has been downloaded and saved to your iPhone within camera roll. Go back to your iPhone homepage. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys on my next tutorial. Thanks for now.